New Education Policy 2020. Now, Indian education policy has been changed after 34 years, and this change will take the education system to great heights. Now, Indian government wants by 2035 50% of the students should complete higher education. Now, only 20% are enrolling for higher education. Second, the Indian government wants to reduce rote learning, that is like mugging up, or it is by hearting or ratta what we tell it. So they want to reduce that and introduce most of the practical aspect than just a theory, and being more relevant, that is whatever the subjects that a student is learning, that has to be helpful in their career. Now let's say the new education policy. This new school structure is introduced with 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4. So, from the day the child starts going to the school, that is nursery, KG, prep to 5th standard, it is a preschooling. So, here the student till 5th standard, a student can learn in the regional language. From 6th standard, students are introduced to all subjects, that is physics, chemistry, maths, biology, social studies, and coding is made mandatory. Apart from this, vocational education has been introduced. Student can select carpentry, electrical, gardening, etc. Likewise, they can select the subject of their own choice. So these courses will help in enhancing the student's skill, logical thinking, and get practical knowledge. So, and students are also given small projects. Then in ninth, 10th, 11th and 12th standard, students have the option to choose and study any subject of their interest. Like a student can study science with mathematics, with arts and music and craft. So combination of subjects can be selected by a student based on their own interest, and more emphasis is on interactive classes so that students will be exposed to experimental learning within each subjects and explore the relation among different subjects. Student can also choose any subject of the combination, and equal importance is given to all the subjects, and importance is also given for extracurricular activities. Graduation is of 4 years. Here you have an option of multiple entry and exit from any course. If a student completes only 1 year of graduation, that student gets only a basic certificate, and if student completes 2 years, then they will be getting diploma certificate, and if a student completes full course of 4 years, then they get degree certificate. Academic bank of credit will be established. Now here it will digitally store the academic credits earned by the student. Promote online and digital education, reaching to remote and rural areas to provide education in regional languages, and single regulatory system, that is all colleges will come under one body, that is Higher Education Commission of India. So this is a quick review of the New Education Policy 2020.